I don't think we revealed these fine pieces of equipment to you guys yet. These are Sullivan's, I guess, one of his latest purchases in the last 2 months here, I think. Locally, he bought them. Pretty local. Got a hell of a deal on them. Finally moved up a little bit in the modern world from the leafers.
Yeah, just a few trail riders for sure. Nothing, definitely not going away from the old stuff, but it is nice to have a few nice things in your life, I guess.
Well, the nice thing is I could have a vertebrae the next day.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That's not in my neck,
like
from my lower back.
Any kind of ditch bang without having to take a bottle of ibuprofen the next day, or after for that matter, and before actually. You got pre and that stuff too. But I mean, these, you don't need 800 milligrams to go on there. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly. What's this first one here?
This is 03, first year of the Rev chassis. A lot of people know the Rev chassis. It's pretty standout compared to the Sparky has the formula style. That was the you guys see
like the early 2000s, late 90s.
2000s, yep. So Rev chassis, 600 rotax. Is it HO?
I'm not sure. Probably just a regular.
Yeah. Anyways, studded track, stock, everything pretty much. 10K miles, was rebuilt at 8K.
Keyword rebuilt.
Keyword rebuilt. So if she blows up, she blows up. That'll be a next year project.
I've done a couple of these 600s before, so it's nothing too crazy.
I know a guy, but big difference that I know of is the DSS key program specifically for the sled. So if you lose this, that's like $100 to get that replaced.
Yeah, that's dirty.
You don't want to do that. Not your normal tether.
This one have E-start?
No,
none of these had E-start, but they have reverse.
This one should, because the key does turn past the first point. So this one probably has an option.
Oh, for sure.
Because this one doesn't have a key, I don't believe. Unless I'm stupid. But anyways, they just need a few cosmetic stuff, hood straps. Or,
yeah, high fax. I think this one needs high fax.
Yeah, you can take a look at it. I mean,
it's not terrible.
Not terrible, but it's definitely there.
I would send it.
If you look at it compared to this one's
it's
definitely a lot better.
It's definitely to the wear bar. I can see that, but
like maybe 30% left, if that.
The track's a little rough too, but
I mean, it's just this outside layer on this one's rough. The rest of the track, like even this side's perfect.
For us, it's going to be just fine.
Oh yeah.
Nice sleds for what we got them for.
Little fanny packs back.
For what we got it for, I mean, it's a no-brainer not to buy them.
Right.
What's the one here on the right? The yellow.
This is an 05 MXZ 550F fan.
Yep. Twin carb.
Twin cylinder, twin carb. Nice little machine. This one's only got about 3,300 miles on it, so pretty low miles for an 05 sled.
What was all wrong with that one?
This one needs intake boots. Or carb sockets as they call them. So yeah, this one just needs those. I sprayed it when I bought it and I saw it idled right down, so you can see their dry rot crack too.
Yep.
But anyways, this one runs good too. Both have reverse too, which is very nice.
Yep, and Skidoo's guys, they basically shut off and start backwards when you put them in reverse.
Yep.
2 strokes are able to do that. Obviously 4 strokes cannot do that.
Pretty cool. But anyways, there was a little meltation of some sort up here, I think. I don't know quite what that is, but a little goofy for sure.
But it's nice to have just something more mounted. These brakes are tight too.
Oh, they're hydraulic. I mean, the hydraulic brakes can be so nice to slow these things down.
But also, once again, Rev chassis technically, right?
Yep. Yeah, this Rev chassis, yep.
So yeah, 550F. Fanners, pretty reliable.
Yeah.
Plenty of power to have fun with. Reliability for the trails.
Yeah, this is the nice crossover between like a beginner sled and like going towards
a 6-800, yeah.
6-800 race sled, yep.
But just a cool little pair of sleds here.
For sure.
We'll definitely take them out in the fresh snowfall, and we'll send them through the paces.
We'll try to get like a comparison between the Rev 600 and Sparky's Formula 583, which is basically a 600. So, and we'll give you some comparisons of what's more ideal and so on and so forth.
Yeah, just seeing how these ride.
Yep.
But just a cool pair of sleds. I definitely like them.
And we got obviously these covers you can see.
Yeah, Skidoo covers.
I got an extra seat.
Extra seat.
For the Rev too, so.
Cool.